Happy winter, kings and queens, divine feminine, divine masculines of the world. I just want to say, happy Sunday blessings. And if it's another day for you and you want to play this back, it doesn't matter. It's still a blessing. I just want to say, thank you for waking me up this morning, Lord. Thank you for giving me another chance. Thank you for giving me brand new mercies every day. Thank you, Lord, I praise you. Lord, I'm free to get back up again. Whenever you fall, get back up again. Give another chance, get back up again. Hey, get back up again. Whenever you fall down, get back up again. No matter when you fall down, you have another chance to get back up again. Hey, raise your hands then. Get back up again and say, thank you. Thank you. Lord, I praise you. Lord, I'm free. Resonate.